Hi guys, welcome to the day 3 of our Yoga Anywhere challenge, and let's get started. If you have your mat, roll it out, otherwise we are good to go even if you're not having a yoga mat. So just keep both your feet close together as much as possible. Just roll the shoulders back and down, stretch out the spine, stretch out the lips, let there be a big smile on the face. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Let the palms be open, just feeling the body for a moment before we get started. Take another breath in. Just notice if the feet are equally balanced. Notice if the weight of the body is equally distributed on both the feet. One more breath in and exhale. If your eyes are closed, gently open them. Inhale, take both the hands up. Just interlace the fingers and stretch the body up. Just stretch just a little more. Feeling as if you're being suspended from the ceiling. Each and every cell in your body is being stretched up, up, up. Now slowly just come up on your toes. Very gently just come up on the toes. Just balancing the whole body. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. If you're losing balance, it's okay as long as you come back up again. So in life also, whenever we lose balance, it's important to come back. It's not important how many times you lose balance, but that you come back up. Just stay there a little more and exhale. Bring the heels down. Now keeping the body still stretched upwards, just bend to the right. Just going a little down as much as you can, and inhale once again, stretch the body up. As you exhale, just bend the body to the left as much as you can according to your own capacity. Just listening to the body is yoga. Inhale again, come up. Exhale, bend down. Inhale, come up. Stretch the body once more. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, come up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, come up and stretch. Exhale to the left. Feeling the stretch in the sides of the body. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale with each movement. Feel your body getting stretched. Feel your body getting twisted in the sides. Right and left. Right and left, and come back to the center. Stretch the body up again. Stretch, and now from the hips, just bend forward as much as you can, and just exhaling, bending forward. Let the head come down. Just let the whole body be loose. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in. Exhale. Just let the whole body be loose. You can bend the legs at the knees if you feel like. One more breath in. Exhale. Inhale and exhale completely. Slowly just inhale and extend the spine forward. If your hands can touch the ground, it's well and good. Otherwise, your hands can be on the knees, on the shins, wherever you are at this moment. Just know that that is totally how it's meant to be. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, being with the body completely every moment of the way. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in And exhale. Slowly bend both the legs at the knees. Place the left hand in between both the feet, just right in front of the feet. And now take the right hand up, twisting the body, and just look up. Try to straighten the legs as much as you can. Just looking up at the right hand. Joyfully take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And gently as you exhale, bend both the legs at the knees again. Place the right hand in between instead of the left, and taking the left up, trying to straighten both the legs as much as you can, looking up at the left hand. Joyfully inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And slowly exhale and come down. Once again, straighten the legs, letting the hands be on the legs, on the knees, on the floor, wherever they can come, and extend the spine. Take a breath in, looking forward. Breathe out. One more breath in. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly inhale, coming all the way up. Just bend the legs at the knees one by one. Just let the shoulders be a little loose. Now take the hips back and just sit into the hips, taking the hands in front of you. And now slowly take them up all the way. Join the palms together. Take a breath in. We're sitting in a comfortable chair. Just imagine it's the comfiest chair in the whole world. Your hips are going down, but the spine is going up. Take a breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And as you exhale, just bring the hands in the center of the chest. Try to bring the left elbow on the outer edge of the right leg. Hands coming in the center. Not forgetting that smile. Breathe in. Breathe out. If you're not feeling it yet, go a little down. Inhale. Exhale. Trying to bring the hands towards the center of the body. Feel that twist. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Come back to the center and just stretch the hands up. Stretch the whole body up. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in. Exhale. Once again, take the hips back. Sit back into the hips. Hips going down, spine going up. Take a breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Now as you exhale, take the right elbow on the outer edge of the left thigh. Trying to bring the hands towards the center of the chest. Take a breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And exhale. Inhale, come to the center. Just stretch the body up. Stretch, go back a little. And exhale. Come down. Just bend both the legs at the knees. Just straighten a little. And just bend the whole body down. Just move the body a little up and down, left to right, right to left. Just moving a little bit. Take a breath in. Breathe out. Let the body loose. Stay still. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Very gently. Just roll the body vertebra by vertebra. Very gently. Coming all the way up. Take a breath in through the nose. Hold the breath. Through the mouth, exhale. Inhale through the nose. Hold. Through the mouth, exhale. Inhale through the nose. Hold. And just relax the whole body. Gently bring the palms in front of the heart. Just sending in a mental prayer to whoever we believe in, for a healthy body, for a peaceful mind. With a smile, one more breath in, and with a smile, let go. With gratitude in the heart and a smile on the face, whenever you feel like, you may open your eyes. We hope you enjoyed today's practice. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. May you stay fit and calm. If you haven't done that yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media as well. We have some great content for you. You can check out our 30-day yoga series as well if you're interested.